Make way for the queen!
Aww, and ew! I need disinfectant wipes.
Unboxing time!
Let's see.
Wow! Dollhouses for both of us!
So cool! I love it already! This has so much potential.
Couldn't agree more. I'm already getting ideas myself. My Barbie is ready to move in.
Oh yeah? My Ken belongs in here. All right, welcome to your new home, buddy. Are you for real?
Yeah, I kinda hate it too. We need a renovation list.
Whoa, look at that checklist. Ken does not hold back.
Looks like we're gonna have to upgrade everything. How fun!
I wasn't aware they had magic.
It's official. We are in a challenge.
All right, game on.
Roof comes first. Brainstorming here. Aha! I know what to do.
What?
Magic!
Give me!
No, it's gold, which means it's mine.
Fine.
Stress eating, I see. I get it. It's because you know I'll win. I mean, look at my roof. Ain't no way anyone can top this. That one was extra. Hey!
What? Huh? Wow. Okay, my turn to shine. This will both add shine and insulation. Clever, right? The best part? It's so easy to work with. Done. Look.
I admit, it's not bad. We'll be the judge.
Quality control. Many things to consider. Interesting choice.
It's shiny. I like shiny. There's something here.
Come on now. Don't keep us waiting.
Love.
Approved.
Aw, I'm so glad. What's next? Windows and walls.
Okay, walls and windows really define the space.
I want it to feel bright, open, and luxurious. What's happening?
Strike a pose. Yeah.
Whoa. Can I borrow the camera?
Nuh-uh. Cheese.
Ugh, rude. Bring me the thing.
Here.
Do it. Show him.
Gladly.
What? Whoa. Are you talking about?
Better I show it than explain.
Wow. I need that to be mine.
If you hand me the camera…
Take it.
I knew he would come around.
Haha, worth it.
Yay! Bestie selfie! Hey, let's take a selfie together.
Wait, I'll fix my hair. Never mind, I always look cool.
Wow, these photos are amazing. This one's my favorite. No, wait, this one. And printing. Well, these are going straight on the wall. I'm adding a few more. Here it is, the wall of memories. Wow, you get me. Happy to make you happy. Huh? What? Oh, you mean this? That's a great idea. I'll get myself a new golden bracelet later. This one's my gift for Barbie's new home. And this one, and this one. My Barbie deserves only the best. The chains will catch the sunlight and make everything feel warmer.
Huh? Hello? Yeah, 360. What? The challenge? Remember? Oh, right. Don't worry. Your curtains will be ready in no time. This will give the house a modern feel. Making something sleek and futuristic to suit your vibe. All done. Told you I could do it quickly. It is low-key giving club vibes. Gotta make one more for the second window. It's not enough. I want that. Huh? My disco ball? Oh, wait. Okay, I see the vision. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Haha. The mirrors are gonna bounce the light everywhere. And hey, mirrors make the space feel bigger. This is decoration rule number 1.
Walls and windows? Check.
We're getting really good at this.
I say we're pros already.
Yay! And looks like they agree.
Yeah! What do we have next? The living room. Well, it needs to be cozy. And dripping in gold. Literally. Take this too! Why not? More is more. Let's do this properly. Safety first. This is how you build a throne. I'm not playing around. We're going custom. Mission couch completed. Comfort meets couture. This just elevated the whole room. More gold? Always. Details matter. Well, she needs an actual throne too. And that's how you finish a room. Wait, it's missing something. The chandeliers are the crowns of the room. The whole area is so well lit. And, everything is so perfect. I can't wait to have guests over in my new living room.
Cool. Huh? Don't be mad. I'm thinking. The pressure is too much. Panicking isn't helping. Wow, maybe it does. Because I have an idea. A solid gold couch? No thanks. Nobody's back can survive that. This is way softer and smaller. You're always complaining. Okay, I see your point. I can easily make it bigger. See? Done. So, how about now? Much better. Let's decorate the rest of the room. Everything needs to match, duh. I'm building a whole aesthetic here. The room will be the hangout spot for all the cool people. Finished! I'm so proud of this. This room is made for parties. And obviously, I'll be the star of every single one.
Well, Barbie's room is all about elegance and royalty. Yes! One by one, we're crossing them off.
Bedroom's next!
Oh, okay. Why is it suddenly so hot in here?
Must be something wrong with the AC. Yeah, I was right. Let me try to fix it. It's not working. Wait a minute. Where's Ken? Huh? Where did you get those? And it's my favorite flavor. Hey, sharing is caring. Oops, no more left. Ugh, you're so rude. Well, apparently it was ant-sized. Anyway, let's make it bigger and use it for crafting the coziest bed ever. I have the power to duplicate things. Simple materials, smart design. That metallic finish gives it a futuristic touch. And an open wardrobe for Ken's stylish clothes. It will make it so much easier to pick the outfit of the day. I'm loving this setup so much.
My turn. Let's browse. Oh, wow. This is definitely a need. Yeah, this can't miss these two. If it's shining, it's ours.
Awesome!
Incredible! Everything looks just right.
Yay! Thanks!
Aw, hooray! We only have one more thing left on the list. Hey!
Huh?
What?
Whoa! Did he really just order all that? You bet I did! Don't keep us waiting. You may begin. Chop chop!
You got it.
Don't touch the silvers! They're mine!
And the gold stone's mine.
These look like they are pieces of moonlight.
And these like sunlight.
I'm almost done.
Well, same. And ta-da!
The yard still needs something.
I know what.
Wow! Good thinking! And I'll add some silver shining diamonds. Voila! Gemstone magic. So, what do you guys think? You like it?
Come on, tell us already.
Well, I for one think we really did a great job.
I agree. Let's hope they agree as well.
Just look at these details.
Yep. We really put so much thought and effort into them.
I think it's perfect. Phew!
Home sweet home. Yay!
Congrats!
Great job, honestly. We completed every task. What a challenge.
It was so fun!
Check out my gorgeous ruby. Diamonds are way cooler if you ask me. What? Something weird is happening. They're pulling together. What the heck was that? Whoa! Look at this! Wow! We should decorate these houses. Bet I can do it better. First, let's add some rubies. Oh yeah, I'm getting the coolest ruby walkway. Still not as good as a diamond one. Let's see. Just one diamond? Watch closely. Well, what do you say now? Huh. But you don't have a fountain like this. Ahem. You sure about that? Oh yeah? Mine will have ruby sparkles. Let me fill it up. Nice. Not bad, but diamond sparkles are better. Nothing beats that white shine. So pretty. Oh yeah? I'll have even more sparkles. Oh, we'll see about that. Whoa! That's beautiful! Come on. There. Much better. Alright, now let's add a lounger. Loungers are boring. I'm adding a slide. Ugh, gimme that! Ugh, the ugly color can stay on your side. I like it. Whoa! It's a helicopter! What's going on? It's Barbie dolls! Wow, it's so pretty here. This is the best fountain ever! Whee! I love it! Me too! Oh, you. These fountains are way too powerful! Aww! It's nice, but look at me! Yeah, we should freshen up. I've got an idea. This should work. Nice! Time for a bath. Yay! I love that. Oh, yeah. This feels so good. Easy with the bubbles! I've got an idea, too. And here's the bath. Perfect. Now let's fill it with diamonds. There you go. Your bath is ready. Finally! Coming! Best bath ever! Glad you like it. What's that? I want a drink too! Of course. Here you go. Oh yeah? Enjoy! Please. Whatever. Time to add a mirror. There. Time to do my makeup. I've got lipstick for you, too. And more makeup. Now let's add a dresser and a rug. Then some plants for the vibe. And a chandelier. All done. The bathroom is fully set. Cool, right? Of course! It has everything I need. We should decorate too. This will be perfect. I know exactly what to add. Oh yeah, only luxury for my doll. Now let's add some style. And finish it with this. Now that's a true diamond design. Wow! I can't wait to try it! What? A pretty doll has to take care of herself, right? Exactly. Aw, you look amazing! I'm hungry. Oh, of course. Let's build a kitchen. We'll add smoothies and juices. And more yummy stuff. Nice! Not done yet. Let's add a counter. Decorate and add food. The meal's ready. Nice! Wait for me! I need a drink. Oh, yes! looks delicious. I'm hungry too. Then you'll need a fridge. Perfect! Let's add a stove and some design. Now let's add a dining area. And a kitchen cabinet. Look, it's already full of food. Now a chandelier. And some cookware. Let's set the table. Plates, cutlery, flowers, and done! Wanna take a closer look? You don't have to ask twice! Like it? Oh yeah! Hey! Wanna come over? Coming! Oh, your kitchen is amazing! Thanks! I think we should share dessert with the girls. So sweet! Thank you! Good idea! Here you go, bestie! Mmm, yummy! That was fun. Oh, but I'm tired. No problem. Let's set up your living room. Wow, so many rubies! Let's add a chest for them. Now a couch. And a lamp. Just hang a ruby ball. And lights on! All done! Your living room is ready! Have a seat! So comfy! No sleeping! It's party time! So fun! I need a change. Oh, but my room is empty! Got you! Let's add a clothes rack. And a shoe shelf. And of course, some cute shoes. Now you've got options! So cool. I love it. Yay! You'll be the most stylish! How do I look? Amazing! Let me take a pic! I'm so happy! What's wrong, sweetie? Don't worry. I've got something for you, too. First, let's add curtains. And some musical instruments. There! Now you can play your violin! Awesome! It's my favorite! What's that noise? Oh my! I can't take it! Look what I've got! How about a bike ride? Yes, I love biking! Have fun! Bye! This is so fun! Whee! While she's gone, I'll add this big diamond lamp. And this basket. Let's fill it with diamonds. Add a big one on top and a rug. I need a ride too. How about a motorcycle? Whoa, that's awesome! I'm off! Whew, see ya! Vroom vroom, baby! This is so cool! Alright, I'll decorate the roof. Rubies are perfect as always. So cool! Wow! Let's try the same with diamonds. Whoa! Looks amazing! Hi there! Check out my new bike! Cool! Wanna ride home with me? Hold tight! We're here! Wow! Ta-da! Do you like it? Your house is ready! All diamonds! I can't believe it! Your house is ready, too. All rubies, just how you like it. It has everything you need. This is the best house ever! Great job!